Jai Hind everyone, how are you all? I welcome you all in this amazing session of Air Force Phase 2 GD classes. So, in previous two lectures, we have covered two topics, and this is our third topic. So, as I promised that the next topic is electric vehicles, and the, this is the topic. So, in Phase 2, after your self introduction, when it comes to GD part, so before GD part, you have to give a small introduction of the topic. So you can add these lines in your small introduction like electronic vehicles are the cars, bikes or buses that runs on electricity instead of traditional fuels like petrol or diesel. They use electric motors and batteries to power the vehicle. EVs are considered an environment friendly alternative to the conventional vehicle. They produce zero emission. So you can add these points in your introduction. After when it comes to JD part, so in starting you can start with these points, or if anyone starts and he adds the point, so you can confirm to that EVs do not emit harmful gases like carbon dioxide, which contribute to the air pollution and climate change. By reducing air pollution, EVs can help which can help improve the quality of the environment, especially in cities. As you saw in the cities like Delhi and most popular cities, there are so much. The main problem of there is air pollution. In most of the ASCs, Air Force Selection Centers, this topic is also asked about air pollution. So you can add that electronic are a electronic vehicles are good for reducing the air pollution. So let's come to the topic that electricity is generally cheaper than the petrol or diesel. You all know that, making it less expensive to charge an EV. EV means electric vehicles. EVs require less maintenance as they have fewer moving parts. Next point is EVs reduces dependence on fossil fuels, which are limited and harmful to the planet. Next point is EVs are much quieter than. So, one second. EVs are much quieter than traditional vehicles. They reduce noise pollution in cities. One of the biggest challenge. Here comes the negatives of EV. As you all know that everything has its positive and negatives. Let's talk about the negatives. What are the negatives of EV? So, one of the biggest challenges of EV is that they can travel a limited distance on a single charge. This is one of the biggest problem of electronic vehicles. Limited driving range can be inconvenient for long trips, especially in areas with fewer charging stations. Next point is charging an electric vehicle take longer than refueling a petrol or diesel vehicle. The upfront cost of an EV is higher than that of a traditional vehicle. So, in India, what is that? The electronic vehicles are expensive than traditional vehicle. So, the next negative of this is that battery in a EV has a limited lifespan and replacing it can be expensive. So, at last, I want to talk about the conclusion. So, in conclusion, you can say that electric vehicles are a promising solution to reducing air pollution, saving money on fuel, promoting sustainable energy use. However, challenges like limited driving range, long charging times, high initial cost need to be addressed. These are the you have summarized the whole topic in your conclusion. That what are the positives and negatives of this at last. With the right infrastructure and continued advancement in technology, EVs have the potential to revolutionize the transport industry. So, this was all about the electronic vehicle. You can also tell me that what will be some more points you can add this in comment section. And in next class, there will be fourth class. What topic you want, you can comment, or I will be taking the topics which are recently asked in ASC centers. So next topic, I think that is good for us, that is reservation system in India. This is one of the most asked topics. So that's all in today's class. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.